Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at my order that came in today from Baker Creek. Now let me show you guys what I ordered. First, I have this watermelon Cleckley Sweets. I can't remember why I ordered it. I must have just really liked the description on the website. Next, I have Royal Golden Watermelon, and I've been wanting to order this variety for a few years now. It has a yellow skin and a red interior, and the skin is supposed to be green, and when it gets ripe it turns yellow. So the reviews for this particular variety that I have seen are very mixed, and I think that's why I put off ordering it, but I'm going to go ahead and try it for myself this year. This is Atlantic Giant Pumpkin. These are for my husband. If you guys watched my pumpkin harvest video from last year, then you saw that he likes to grow big pumpkins. And Baker Creek sends a lot of seeds in their Atlantic Giant packages. Compared to the Atlantic Giant pumpkins from the grocery store, there's usually only a few seeds in each package. So I think you definitely get more for your money from Baker Creek. This is Dad's Sunset Tomato. I've read a lot of really good stuff about this tomato. I've been eyeing it for a few years. The reviews are really good, so I'm looking forward to trying that. This is lettuce leaf basil. And this is buckwheat. This is a really pretty buckwheat with pinkish red flowers. I'm probably just going to plant these in my flower bed because the flowers are really pretty. I'm not sure if I'll let it go to seed or not. I'll have to look into how heavily buckwheat can reseed, but I would imagine that a single plant would drop thousands of seeds right into your flower bed. I don't know if I'm going to harvest the seeds or if I will just cut the flowers off once they look like they're on their last leg. This is early purple sprouting broccoli, and I've tried to grow this a couple times. This is a broccoli that's supposed to overwinter if you live in a climate that doesn't get below 10 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. Here it gets around 0. It's usually not for long periods of time, but this winter we had so many nights that it went down below 0 and my plants just couldn't handle it and they died. There was one that was alive a couple weeks ago, but I can't find it anymore. It wasn't very big. I think slugs must have ate it. This is Alpine poppies. I just thought they were pretty. I'm gonna have to look into how to even grow these. This is Illumination Xenia. It's a really pretty bright pink zinnia. Next we have Springtime Cassis Pansy, and I just thought they were really pretty. I'm kind of obsessed with pansies and violas right now, so I got those. And this one is Star of David Okra. I can't remember why I picked this variety. I just must have liked the description. And some some Brunswick cabbage. So I've probably got 5-6 packs of these already. I'm probably not going to grow them. But Baker Creek always sends free seeds, which is really nice, and I'm sure a lot of people would love to get some Brunswick cabbage. This is Desert King Watermelon, and this watermelon is supposed to do good in areas that get a lot of drought. Usually I don't get a lot of drought. It's very humid here in the summer. We get a lot of thunderstorms, a lot of rain. But it's a really pretty watermelon, so I wanted to grow it. It has a light green rind and an orange flesh. And another pansy. This is a viola, sorry, a viola, and this one is Morning Dew. I just thought the colors were really pretty on this one. And, oh, some more free seeds. Let's see what we got. Cosmic Purple Carrot, and that is a carrot that I will grow. I like that variety. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.